How to use Google Meet recording transcript feature. To use this native feature within the Google Meet, you have to have a supported premium or educational Google Workspace account. Now, if you don't have premium account, you won't be able to access this. But if you have, you simply have to open the Meet application itself. From there, join the call. Now, once you join the call, all you have to do is you should be able to find this three-dotted menu icon. Simply tap on it and you should be able to find the transcript option over here from the tools drawer. All you have to do is select the transcript option and then select the start transcription button and confirm by clicking start on the top warning module. And once this is enabled, all your conversations on your Meet will be transcribed automatically. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.